Hello there, welcome to today's video, and believe it or not, today I am not going to show you a game. Today I'm going to show you DataMan Next, which is a data usage tracker. Now, when you first start the app, you'll need to set up your data plan, which you do in the settings here, and you just need to put in what day of the month your bill starts from, your data cap, and if you want to add any usage that you've used at the moment already. And then once you've done that, you are good to go. It's really that easy to set up. Now these are different alerts, which I'll go into more at the moment, but you can set them individually. How you want it to display, if you want it to display sent and received usage as well, you can do. And if you want to, you can reset any statistics. But as soon as you've put your details in, then it will start registering it for you and also predicting if you're going to stay within your data cap. And if you go out of a safe zone, it will change colours. So at the moment, I've only used 35% of my usage, so it's forecasting that it's still in the safe zone. And at the bottom, it'll show you how much you've used through your cellular and also how much you've used on your Wi-Fi usage. And the 4 different thresholds alerts, which I mentioned before, which I'll just show you again, you can set individually when you want them to go off. So your first one, at the moment mine's set, these are the default ones which I've decided to keep. So when I go over 50%, that's my first alert, 70%, 90% and 100%. So it's always going to let you know when you go over there. You can also view your past usage, and as I showed you before, it's really easy to set up. So this is what it looks like at the moment when you're in the safe zone, and I'll just show you what happens when you go over that safe zone from one of your alerts. So now as you can see, it's saying caution because I've now used 75% of my usage and I've still got 10 days remaining out of my January allowance. So at a glance, you can just launch the app and straight away it'll look like this. So you can tell really easily at a quick look whether you're still in your safe zone, whether you need to be careful what you use. And then I'll show you what happens next. And then when you get really close to your allowance, it will say this, danger and forecast. So it's got some really nice colour indicators. So if you just wanted to look quickly at the colour, what colour it was to see your allowance status, then you could do. So it's really easy to tell at a glance how you're doing with your usage. And then if you do go over, it will tell you that too. And then that is the dreaded you've gone over your allowance colour, which actually looks quite nice, but obviously you don't want to see that too often. And it'll tell you exactly how much you've used and still again how many days you've got remaining and what your usage was and what your Wi-Fi usage was. But it's really easy to use, which makes it very appealing. So you can just launch the app and straight away you can see, without putting any usage in, exactly how much you have used and whether you're likely to go over or not. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments below if it's something that you'd use or what you think of it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.